No, Cambodia is not cooked, but I learned how to cook in the Providence, Rhode Island in 1981 or 1991. 91, yeah. The first time in the Providence, Rhode Island, I opened the Chinese food in the Providence, and after that I come over here. The first time we opened only the wing, yeah, that side. And after that, the Asian people live around here a lot. They say, why I not open the Chinese food? And after that, I expand this side for make the Chinese Cambodia. Yeah, because a lot of Asian people over here, and they say I have to open the Asian food. So I know how to cook Thai food, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thai, Chinese. So I make all the food because around here we have Hmong, Lao, Thai, a lot of people over here in Vietnam. I think for my food, I think I make for everyone because the Chinese food sometimes the American like too, and Thai food, yeah, all American people they like. My food we cook over here is homemade, the people cook at home. So a lot of people they like it. Papaya salad and bitter yaki, the Cambodian style, and sticky rice and chicken lap Thai style. I learned from the first time I learned from the old the Thai. He know how to cook and he come to work over here, and he worked with me until now it's 13 years. And after that, the customer, Thai customer, they give the idea to cook. One nice side. Get a big sauce.